So this right here, this is a Technogym Recumbent bike. I'm just gonna give a little overview on what we do to refurbish our exercise bikes. Part of the QC on these bikes, the first step is we're gonna test the bike and we're gonna see through testing if it has any parts that need to be replaced. Anything that is wrong, what our techs are gonna do is we're gonna make a list of parts needed, place an order request form, and get those parts going. These bearings right here, these are the alternator bearings. Those are gonna be replaced. We're gonna replace this bearing right here. This is where the pedals go. Also, we're gonna replace the drive belt. It's not on the machine right now. This particular bike is a plug-in, but many bikes are cordless, and if it's cordless, it'll have a battery, and in that case, we'll replace the battery. Along with this, on every machine, we make sure that it has the most updated software. So what this will do is it'll clear out any changes the previous owner made to the machine. So it basically is gonna default to the factory settings. So those are a couple things we do, for the refurbishing process. We're gonna then disassemble it. Then we're gonna go to our paint booth. We're gonna sand and repaint all the plastics and all the metal. You can see here, these are some of the covers right now that are currently drying from being painted right here. Other thing is, not every part on this is gonna be metal or plastic. So for any non-metal and plastic parts, such as the seat rail, we're gonna clean up and polish. Once it's reassembled, we'll do final testing on it to see if it passes, do the final quality control check. It's gonna be like new with a 1-year warranty standard with extended warranty options for up to 5 years. That's potentially longer than a new warranty at a much better price. We also ship and install machines nationwide, and then it's going to be brought up to like new condition. It'll be brand new machine at roughly half the price of what you could buy from Technogym brand new.